Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Dr. Samara and I am back with another video. It's specifically for you beginners who are interested in getting into the Forex market. I'm simply going to introduce you guys on how to simply learn how to do the simplest technique of just adding and subtracting and figuring out how many pips you want to score for every trade that you get into. So before we get into this video, you guys should already know you have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we are going to go over calculating pips for the simplest basic Forex pairs, and that's going to be your USD pairs, your CAD pairs, your Euro, as well as your JPY. What we're going to get started with, guys, is going to be the USD CAD. Before we get into actually calculating the pip, you need to understand what does pip stand for. So pips is an acronym for point in percentage, and it represents the smallest whole unit of movement in a currency pair exchange rate. Okay, so that is what pips stand for altogether. When you are dealing with USD CAD, guys, or just USD or CAD, you are going to actually move this decimal point 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the numbers that you will be working with as far as moving how many pips you want to earn and how many pips that you are willing to lose, vice versa. Let's say I want to get into the market for a buy, right? So I get into the market for the buy. You guys know for a buy, we are going up in the market, right? So when we are going up in the market, this means we are going to add the amount of pips that we want to secure. As you guys, for beginner traders, I always say 10 pips and dip. This is going to be 10 pips that we want for each trade that we get into. That's 10 pips. So what you're going to do for your USD and your CAD, but not your JPY. I'm going to show you why not JPY. But USD, CAD, and your Euro, you're always going to move your decimal point over 3 and 4. And you're going to be working with these numbers here, 7 and 6. So in this instance, I want 10 pips. I'm going to add that. That's 10. Now, your TP is going to be 1.3864. This is your TP for when you are getting in an opportunity on this basic pair when you need 10 pips. I want to get in for a sale. You may have a larger account. You may have maybe $1,000 in your account. You're willing to lose maybe 100 pips. When you are trying to lose, that means it's going to be a sale. You're going to subtract. This is what the amount you want to lose. This is when you create a stop loss, guys. Stop loss. Stop loss, negative 100 pips. And you may say, man, that's a lot of pips, but you're probably just using 0.01 lot size. That's not really a lot of pips, especially working with your regular Forex pairs. What you're going to do is you're going to subtract this, right? You're still going to work with your third and your fourth number. You're going to put 1, 0, 0, just like this. This is your stop loss of 100 pips. That would have been vice versa if you were looking for a sale opportunity and you wanted to take profit. It's the same thing. This is going to be USD JPY. Always remember, if you're dealing with JPY, this is normally your special. Sorry for my handwriting, guys. I'm a left-hander. This is normally your special pair, okay? This is your unique pair. The reason why, for example, I'm getting into the market right now. I'm trying to find a JPY trade right here, okay? So where the market is at right now is at 92.105, okay? 92.105. We already noticed that the last pair, it was like 1.633745, right? we got two numbers in front of our decimal point, right? With JPY, we're only working with the 1, 2. We're only working with the 2 decimal points with JPY. So we're only going to be focusing on this pair here. So let me write that out again, 92.105. I want to earn at least 20 pips, okay? And I'm going into the market for a buy. Remember, buys is plus, sales is what? Minus 20 pips, okay? So I'm getting in for a buy. This is 20 here. Now it's going to be 92.305. I have a TP of 20 pips. It's going to be 92.305. This is when you guys are working with your basic pairs with JPY. I'm getting in for a sale. Your sale is a negative. This is going to be 20 minus 20, right? So this is 92. So 92.085 is what we're going to get. And this is now your take profit for a sale stop, guys. Just like that. All right? So simple as that. Even if I was to get in for a buy and have my other take profit for my buy, this is now my sale stop, right? I mean, not my sale stop, my stop loss. This is now my stop loss. So again, if I got in just for visual people only, okay? If this is 20, 92.085, this is now my stop loss, and then my buy take profit. We add in that 92.305. This is my take profit. This is how simply you will use and how to manually identify calculations of your pips just in your basic pairs of Forex. Alright guys, so I hope that this video was very informative for you guys and very understanding for you guys. Please comment down below if you thought that this video was helpful for you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and see you guys in the next video.